Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning podcast. I'm Ella, your friendly English teacher.
And I'm Leo, your English learning partner. Hello to you, Ella, and hello to all our amazing listeners around the world.
It is great to be here with you today. I hope you're feeling good because we have a fun lesson waiting for you.
Oh, yes. And I feel extra good because I just came back from the supermarket.
Perfect timing, because that's exactly our topic today English at the supermarket.
No way. That is a real coincidence. Supermarket English can be very helpful in daily life.
Exactly. So today we're going to practice useful supermarket English, learn simple phrases, and do short conversation exercises. You will repeat after us and improve your speaking.
And before we start, a small favor. If you love learning English with us, please click the like button.
Yes, please. It really helps our channel. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next friendly English lesson.
Thank you, everyone. Okay, Ella, ready to go shopping?
Let's grab a basket and go. So, Leo, what is the first thing you do when you walk into a supermarket?
I usually take a shopping cart, sometimes a basket. It depends on how much I want to buy.
Great. Let's teach these words. Repeat after us, listeners. Shopping cart.
Basket.
Good job. Shopping cart is for many items. A basket is for small items.
Yes. If I only want bread, eggs, and juice, I take a basket.
Exactly. And many supermarkets have a sign near the entrance that says, Welcome. Simple English, but it makes you smile.
Ella, sometimes I can't find something. I walk around and still nothing.
Yes, that happens to all of us. But the good news is you can ask for help. Here is a very useful sentence. Excuse me, where can I find the?
I like that one. Simple and polite.
Let's practice together. Listeners, repeat. Excuse me, where can I find the milk?
Excuse me, where can I find the rice?
Excellent. See, you're improving already. Okay, Leo, what are some supermarket sections?
Let's see. Fruits and vegetables, bakery, dairy, meat, frozen food.
Perfect list. Beginners need to know these common words. Let's teach them slowly. Fruits and vegetables,
Bakery,
dairy,
meat.
frozen food.
Nice. If you want apples, you go to fruits and vegetables. If you want bread, you go to the bakery. For milk, yogurt, cheese, that's the dairy section.
Dairy is my favorite. I love cheese.
Me too. And listeners, tell us, do you like cheese? Say it out loud. Yes, I do. Or, no, I don't.
Okay, Leo, let's act out a real English conversation. Listeners, just listen first. Excuse me, where can I find the bread?
It's in the bakery section, next to the cakes.
Now, listeners, repeat after us. Excuse me, where can I find the bread? It's in the bakery section, next to the cakes.
Good job! This is real everyday English.
Let's learn more practical phrases. Repeat after me. I'm looking for. Do you have? How much is this?
I use how much is this all the time, especially when I want snacks.
Me too. I love snacks. My quick breakfast is often a banana or a yogurt.
A banana's fast. One hand, one bite, done.
Exactly, and very healthy.
Okay, Ella, now I'm finished. My basket is full. What do I do?
Time to go to the checkout. Repeat, checkout.
At the checkout, you pay for your items. You can pay with cash or card.
Yes, and you might hear the cashier say, Do you need a bag? Or, Do you have a loyalty card?
I always forget my loyalty card.
Same here. But loyalty cards give discounts, so they are useful. Let's do another conversation. First, only listen. Hello, did you find everything okay?
Yes, thank you. How much is the total?
$25. Do you need a bag?
Yes, please.
Now let's repeat together. Hello, did you find everything okay?
Yes, thank you. How much is the total?
$25. Do you need a bag?
Yes, please. Beautiful, nice and simple.
You're doing great, listeners. Really, you are.
You're improving with every minute. Keep going.
Let's do a quick review before we finish.
Okay, repeat after us. Shopping cart, basket, fruits and vegetables, bakery, dairy. How much is this? Excuse me, where can I find the checkout, cash, card?
Great job! These are very useful words for real-life supermarket English.
Now, here's our question for you today. What do you always buy at the supermarket?
Is it milk? Bread? Snacks? Rice? Fruits? We want to know.
Write your answer in the comments. It's great English practice.
Thank you for learning with us today. We love spending time with you.
And remember, learning a little English every day makes a big difference.
Like, subscribe, and share this podcast with your friends who are learning English too.
Have a wonderful day and happy shopping.
See you next time. Bye.